Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Chemistry Hub. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter which comes in chemistry, that is unit 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So first of all, let us know why the elements are classified in the periodic table. So first of all, in the year 1800 there were only 32 elements known, and by 1865, means after 65 years, the elements were doubled, more than doubled, that is 63 elements were known. And at present, currently we are knowing 114 elements, and recently discovered elements are man-made. To ease the properties of these elements, they have been classified into their atomic number, atomic mass number, its physical properties and chemical properties, depending upon various scientists. So first scientist was John Daubernier. John Daubernier was the first to arrange all the elements in the periodic table according to the law of triad. According to the law of triad. So, what does this states? So, every first and third element is the arithmetic mean of second element. Let me show you an example. This is lithium, this is sodium, and this is potassium. Lithium, its atomic number is 3, sodium atomic number is 11, and potassium is 19. When we see the atomic mass of lithium, that is 6.9, atomic mass of sodium, like it is 23. We will get to know it later. Atomic mass of potassium is 39. So when we add these two, first element and third element, 6.9 plus 39. 6.9 is taken as a 7 plus 39. We will be getting 46. So when we divide it, or when we take a mean, when we divide it by a 2, we will be getting the number or answer as 23, which is the atomic mass of the second element. This was said by the John Daubernier, first time scientist who arranged all the elements in the periodic table according to the law of triad. So later on, Newland, Alexander Newland, comes up with a new idea of arranging all the elements in the periodic table, and he arranged all the elements in the periodic table according to the law of octaves, which states that every first and eighth element shows similar properties. It means when we start from lithium, next comes beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every first and eighth element have got same physical and chemical properties. So this lithium comes in the second period and first group. When you start from lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium comes next to lithium, which comes under group 1 and period 3. So it is arranged one after another based on their physical and chemical properties, similarities in physical and chemical properties. So because of which we say it as a law of octaves, because every first and eighth element have got its similar physical and chemical properties. Later on, after Alexander Newland, later the scientist known as, a popular scientist known as Mendeleev. Okay, the popular scientist known as Mendeleev comes up with a new idea called as Mendeleev's periodic law, where he says that the physical and chemical properties, the physical and chemical properties are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. Periodic functions of their atomic mass. This means Mendeleev, who arranged the elements in the periodic table according to its atomic masses. Okay, now next comes after Mendeleev, Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley, who discovers modern periodic table, and he gave a law called as modern periodic law, in which it states that the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic functions, properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. Atomic number. This means Henry Moseley arranged all the elements in according to the atomic number. So Henry Moseley was the scientist who discovered modern periodic table. This modern periodic table is the table which we are studying today, and it is having 118 elements in it. Those are arranged according to the atomic number. So these are the elements, how these are classified in the periodic table.